I can't believe I'm saying this, but we need to start thinking about back to school because for my kids, it starts in less than a month. So I'm going to get started here in my daughter Presley's room. I want to do a huge organize with me today, declutter with me, clean with me. We're going to get her room nice, neat, organized, and go through what she has and create a list of things she's going to need for this upcoming school year. So let's get to it. And I partnered with Walmart for today's video. Her room is quite a mess right now. I don't really know what's been going on in here. Well, I do. She's actually set out some outfits for an upcoming vacation we're going on, but yeah, we need to do an overhaul in here. I don't know. The first thing I did was take all those clothes that Presley had set out on her bed to pack for vacation, and I put them in their own little bin just to get them out of the way. Then I wanted to just get her bed a little bit more tidy and neat looking, so adjusted the pillows, adjusted the stuffed animals, adjusted the blankets, and kept the stack of books that she keeps next to her bed, which a former English teacher in me really, really loves, that she just has this stack of books she's always reading next to her bed. Feels very Disney Princess Belle vibes, right? But I just made sure those were all much neater, so it looked nice and tidy. And her dresser just had a lot of stuff on top of it, so I was trying to declutter that space. Also, her vanity, same thing. She has a lot of makeup, she has a lot of jewelry, a lot of cosmetic cases, so I was just trying to see if there was anything I could do to condense it and make it look neater. All right, I've got my list ready to go, so as I go through drawer by drawer in her closet, I can make note of all of the clothing and essential items that I'm going to need to order for this school year. But I already knew that there were some tech things I needed to get in advance that I got at Walmart because their prices are just so affordable. So I figured I would do a little haul. First, Presley wanted a new book bag and she picked out this really cute pink one. I will say, it's got so many different compartments and pockets. It's just like incredibly useful. There's even a little zipper pocket in the back here. And there's even a strap so you could put it on a suitcase if you're traveling the airport with it, which because we're going on a trip, I have a feeling she's gonna actually wanna break this out for the trip and not the first day of school. But such a cute backpack, so affordable. And I'll have the links to all this stuff, by the way, down in my description box below. But she also requested a laptop, and I found the cutest pink one. They have it in other colors, but she's just very, very girly, very, very feminine. So I love this. Is an HP. It's a 14-inch PC. Again, you just cannot beat Walmart's prices when it comes to tech. So even if you don't want this version, use my link down below so you get the best deals on any tech that you're looking to order, because Walmart's just where it's at. Then to match that computer, I did get her a pair of these pink wireless headphones. They also have the pink Beats. There's also other colors of all this too, but these are the ones I have with little rose gold accent on them. And I love these. These are the best headphones. I use them when I clean. I use them when I walk the dogs. I use them for work calls. They're just absolutely amazing. So that's why I wanted to get her a pair of wireless ones too, but I will link both. Also found the cutest wireless mouse in pink. I feel like a broken record. There's more colors, but obviously I was trying to coordinate everything for Presley. And because she wore it into the pool by accident, I did order her a new Fitbit Ace watch. I love these for my kids. There's an app on my phone where I can text them, I can see where they're located, but this just gives me so much peace of mind, whether they're at school and need to contact me because of an emergency, or when they're at their friends' houses or their dad's house. I love these Fitbit Ace watches, and it also encourages them to move and counts their steps and things like that. So I love that it helps keep them active too. Again, Walmart had the best prices on all of these items. Everything is so affordable there for back to school. I will have it all linked down in my description box below for you. So whether you want any of these items or just want to check out what Walmart has available for back to school, be sure to use my links down in the description box below. And thank you again to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. And we'll get back to decluttering and organizing and making our back to school list. But we're gonna start out with my personal favorite method for when I do a declutter and organization. I like emptying every space. I like a blank space, clean slate, fresh start. There's just something very cathartic about when you remove everything, clear. Maybe it could be negative energy. Maybe it is just those feelings of, oh, this is so disorganized. There's something mentally that happens when you see it as a blank space, a fresh start, time to start over again. So I really like just emptying every single drawer and then very purposefully putting the items back into it in an organized way. Generally for these drawers, I'm doing it by category, which I'll give you a tour later on in this video of what each drawer looks like. But for now, just removing it all so then I can go through each size and make sure if it's an item we're going to keep, if it's an item that I'm going to donate, if it's an item that's going back in the drawer, or if it's an item that doesn't belong in the dresser. There were some things in there as I was going through it that I was like, ooh, I don't know if it was Presley or I have the best nanny this summer and she's so helpful. But I did find just a pair of pajamas that were actually Hayden's, which I think because of the size, Presley and Hayden actually are kind of close sizing right now. She probably thought they were Presley's and they were actually Hayden's. So just going through it all to get everything in its proper place around the house and in particularly for Presley's room. So as I was folding everything, I was stacking it all in categories. So I had tops, I had shorts, I had pants, I had coordinating sweatsuits, I had sweatshirts, I had her dance gymnastics, more athletic kind of attire, and then her undergarments. So that was my method as I was folding everything so I could put it all away in a methodical fashion.
Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts.
And I did have a couple of things I wanted to hang up in the closet. And little did I know, I had a buddy who decided to hide out in the closet. I didn't know that this was a hiding spot that she liked, but I had to laugh so hard, especially when I saw the video as I was editing this. You see her creep out there, my little supervisor. All right, here's what I currently have on the list. She needs some new sports bras, some just basic tanks and tees, and then some new leggings because all the ones she basically had are too small and just the couple she has, she just needs more basic ones. But I will give you a fast tour of the drawers. I did tops here, I did shorts here, and then this is where pants, sweatpants, and some sweatshirts are. This was then also more sweatshirts. I feel like they just take up so much space. This was her dance gymnastics kind of attire. And then this is the undies drawer. And then I tried to just kind of organize the stuff hanging here. But, oh, okay, she definitely needs socks. That is pretty bare. We did do like a throwaway of all the mismatched stuff. I'm gonna tidy the pajama drawer, but I have a feeling we'll be good on pajamas because I usually buy a size up intentionally just so they last extra long. And then I've got to go through her swimsuit drawer here too. And same method here as I did for the dresser. I just love being able to completely clear out the drawers and have that fresh start. So that's what I'm doing here with both the pajama drawer and Presley's swimsuit drawer so that I can go through, make sure there isn't any items that she's outgrown, and then only put back the things that she's going to be able to wear moving forward.
I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
All right, her pajama drawer, all nice and neat. And bathing suit drawer, also straightened. I'm gonna kind of leave her purses there. I feel like she's got a little display system for them. Same thing, I feel like she's got a thing for her hair stuff, stack of hats, different Mickey ear stuff there. Feeling good about the progress we made in here today. I feel like I know the stuff I need to get for her back to school. I did add shoes to the list. I'm starving though, so what I'm gonna do, I placed a pickup order for dinner. I'm gonna go drive and pick that up, come back and do a little bit of school online shopping with me, and we'll find some good stuff. But first, while I wait for my order to be ready, I'm just gonna do a quick little clean of her room. And I have some multi-surface cleaner that I'm using just to wipe down all the hard surfaces here. So any of the drawers, the doors, the desktops, the dresser, the nightstand. I just want to wipe everything down so that it is nice and clean.
And I'm down, we just like a fire, and we'll just pick it up, don't wanna stop, we'll keep it going all night. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause I have on to dance in the rain, yeah, I'm tripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me, take the records to the ceiling, close your eyes and just play, and now we sway.
Once everything is all wiped down and smelling amazing, I might add, I got my vacuum so that I can do a quick sweep of the floors. And then I'm using the Swiffer mop. I really like the one that is the Pet A Breeze mop cleaner. It smells really, really good. It always makes everything smell so fresh and extra clean. So that's what I'm using here today.
Don't think we're ever coming down, so let's live it up, pick it up, just call me up.
Oh my gosh, so much nicer and neater in here now, and smells wonderful after that clean. He's ready for back to school.
'Cause I have on to dance in the rain, yeah, I'm tripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me, take the records to the ceiling.
But the restaurant texted and said dinner is likely ready by now. But I brought the girls, I see them back there, for a low car ride, so they got to get out of the house. We went on a big long walk earlier today because it's just so beautiful out. It's my favorite thing to do, is just walk all around the neighborhood. I have to check my Aura Ring app to see how many steps we actually did, but I feel like we did a lot. Just check the Aura Ring app. It says we walked 2.21 miles and I burned over 2,200 calories so far between the walking and like housework. So I love that app because it is just really encouraging to kind of know, okay, this is what we did today, or I got to keep moving today. It's just really helpful. I will also, by the way, link my Aura Ring because it was another thing I got at Walmart because of how affordable the prices are there. You guys, look at Puka. She's freaking out. I'm coming. All right, here's dinner. I've got some shish kebab meat, and then this is my favorite, the hummus, and this hot sauce is just out of this world. I always actually even ask for extra, but just put that right on top, mix it in, and have it with the veggies and stuff, and it is so good. I love Mediterranean food. Yours is so good. But what's also so good are these Walmart prices. Like right now, those leggings I was looking for Presley, they have some that are on sale for $3.98. They also have the fold over ones because I feel like She's kind of into that right now. She's going into 4th grade, by the way, which that is crazy. How do I have a 4th grader? Hayden's going into kindergarten and Landon is going into middle school. It's crazy. Anyway, they have 3 packs of the fold-over leggings too for $24.99. So I feel like that's also getting 3 pairs of pants, $24. That's great. All right, I finished shopping and the grand total for everything I had on my list, look at this, $114. I'm gonna put everything I got on the screen here. Again, it will all be linked down below, but I got the 5-pack of camis. I got the sports bras. This little leopard dress, such a deal, under $6. Then I got another set of sports bras. These pink sneakers are so cute. Then I got the 3-pack of the leggings, which I know she will use that for both dance and school. Then I got another just straight leg leggings. And then for her first day of school outfit, I loved this shirt and skirt. They're so cute. And the shirt was on sale for only like under $5. Skirt under $20. Cannot beat that. And then I got her the pack of socks that she was looking for. So $114. So grateful that Walmart makes it so that mama can afford it.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time.